So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about UCO Bank share. So we know that yesterday morning we have discussed about three banks. So first bank was UCO Bank. After that, Central Bank as well as IOB Bank. So we have discussed the complete volume analysis and also about PCA. So what are the major benefits if any bank comes out of PCA? So how the financial health will be improved, like we discussed in IDBI Bank as well. So today we'll focus mainly on the technicals. So today morning also I updated in the telegram regarding UCO Bank when it was near the 14 rupees level. So currently now it is trading near 14.55, almost 9% up. So today major stocks, majorly Nifty and Bank Nifty, all were down. So each and every stock has shown correction, but this particular stock has remained in bullish region because the volume analysis we done yesterday. So there clearly we are understanding that the deliverable quantities are increasing with a decrease in traded quantity. So whenever any stock is approaching the support region with increase in deliverable quantities, then you need to carefully observe the stock movement because it may start retracing and go to its original levels. So this is very important concepts. If you have not watched those videos, definitely watch them. So it will be a quick learning. Okay, so people are having any doubts regarding any stock, whether it may be small stock or it may be large cap stock. So you can message me in Instagram. So we'll discuss in depth. And also if you want any personal analysis as well, I'll do a separate video so that it will be beneficial to you. So about volume analysis, I'm not discussing regarding UCO Bank. So yesterday itself we have discussed, we have seen some deliverable quantities are increasing. So now comes the major important thing, that is RSI and money flow index. So you can see they are in the mid range. So mid range, it may go up as well depending upon the conditions of the market. So Bank Nifty, we have seen drastic fall today. So even though it has sustained that because of the volume that it has generated. So that is very important thing that you need to Okay, so RSI and money flow index wise, so you can see they are in mid range, which indicates further potential may be possible. So when market is in correction phase, take it as an opportunity and start investing in best quality stocks. So don't try to hesitate to invest because it is an opportunity. So when market corrects, not only this stock, many stocks are available. So try to find the levels. So today, example like Rain Industries have posted in Telegram. Since it is present near the support, so you can try to buy that, or if you're already invested, you can average so that a good quantity will be present for long term. Okay, so UCO Bank returns wise, if you see, you can see 1 week 10.15, 1 month 13.57, 3 months 9.33, 6 months 12.26, 1 year you can see 33% returns have been given, and 10 years you can see minus 85. So that much major returns have not been given because it has remained in government sector. So now if it comes out of PCA, so how IDBI Bank has generated returns quickly, so we may see in this as well. So you need to have patience. So if the quarter results are also declared, then definitely it will start moving up with good volume. So now let's go to technical charts. So this was the main reason we have made the video. So in technicals, we'll try to find out what will be the next targets. Okay, so if you see UCO Bank 1-day chart, so clearly you can see it has been taking the support of the 200-day exponential moving average, and also there we can see the 50-day moving exponential average is also present. So roughly that was 13 point, we can see 13.38, and another one was 13.19. So from that today we have seen some gap up opening. So reasons and everything all of you know. So many people have asked on Instagram as well. So definitely they are also in good profit. So now the next immediate resistance, so that many people are having doubt, is 15 rupees. So 15 rupees is the next immediate resistance. So breaking that and closing above it is very important. So today upper circuit value is roughly around 16 rupees change. So if it hits upper circuit, well and good, need to watch out. After if it doesn't hit and if it closes above 15 rupees, then definitely it may continue the bullish momentum as well. So hold your profit like that only. If you're investing heavy quantity, try to exit partially, but rest of all you can hold it. So still more potential may be possible. So money flow index also, you can see from oversold, it has started shooting up because of this particular major reasons that we have discussed. So because of that, we have seen that is also pointing upwards. So apart from that, 1 week chart also, if you see there also, I told the same support 13.30 as I told. So from there it has been taking a very good support, and today we have seen the gap up opening and it has formed a hammer type candle. Okay, so resistance as usual 15 rupees, and if it crosses that again, it may touch the 15.50 rupees as well. So hold patiently. If any other stock, if you want a separate analysis, do message me in comment section or Instagram. I'll try to make a separate video. So until then, take care. Bye bye.